In front of me is VIVO V40 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Auto Rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is over here, so when I click, it turned white. That means that auto rotation is now disabled. To enable it, click on the same shortcut. If you want to, you can also go into Devices Settings. Scroll down a tiny bit to click on Display and Brightness. And then use this switcher next to Auto Rotate Screen to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!